What if an SUV didn't just challenge the norm, but obliterated it entirely? The Hyundai Ioniq 9 storms onto the scene with a jaw-dropping design, a massive 385-mile range, and an interior so smart it feels alive. This isn't just another family car, it's a revolution on wheels. Curious to see what sets it apart? Let's dive in and explore the future only on EV Frontier. In 2021, Hyundai turned heads with the introduction of the Ioniq 5, a groundbreaking electric crossover that redefined the company's EV lineup. Just a year later, they upped the ante with the sleek and unconventional Ioniq 6, a saloon that proved Hyundai was not just playing in the EV space, they were dominating it. Fast forward to today, Hyundai is back at a secret location in California to unveil the latest jewel in their Ioniq crown, the Ioniq 9, and this was massive, bold, and nothing like its predecessors. Unlike the trend of Russian doll design, where every model looks like a resized version of its sibling, the Ioniq 9 carves its own visual identity at a glance. It shares little resemblance with the Ioniq 5 and 6. Instead, it presents a striking, bold form that commands attention. It's massive, unmistakably so, and its intricate parametric pixel details found in everything from the lights to the interior accents give it a futuristic edge. The front fascia of the Hyundai Ioniq 9 makes a bold statement with its sleek panel, showcasing an array of pixel-inspired lights that create a sharp, futuristic look. This high-tech aesthetic is visually striking, though it raises concerns about practicality. The design lacks protection from minor bumps, which could potentially lead to damage over time. For American markets, the Ioniq 9 takes it a step further with the addition of a glowing light bar, enhancing its visual appeal and giving the vehicle a more futuristic touch. Unfortunately, European regulations prevent this feature from being included, leaving those markets with a slightly different aesthetic. Moving to the side profile, the Ioniq 9's squared-off wheel arches introduce a rugged, muscular feel, perfectly complemented by large wheels that can be upgraded to a size of 21 inches. For those who prefer a more dynamic appearance, optional contrasting black wheel arches offer a bold contrast, amplifying the SUV's commanding stance. At the rear, the Ioniq 9 continues to impress with its high-mounted brake lights and a flush tailgate badge that maintains the clean, modern design. From any angle, the Ioniq 9 is as captivating as it is innovative. The Hyundai Ioniq 9's impressive size delivers real-world advantages, transforming it into a spacious family SUV with ample room for up to 7 passengers. Built on Hyundai's advanced eGMP platform, the Ioniq 9 boasts a 3.13-meter-long wheelbase, creating a cabin that offers generous legroom and headroom across every row. This thoughtful design makes the Ioniq 9 an ideal choice for families, with the added benefit of multiple seating configurations to cater to different needs. One standout feature is its 2+2+2 seating arrangement, which introduces swivel chairs in the middle row. This innovation makes it easier to load child seats, while also fostering a more social atmosphere when the seats rotate to face the third row. Speaking of the third row, it's remarkably spacious for an SUV of this size. Unlike many SUVs where the third row is cramped and uncomfortable, the Ioniq 9 provides enough legroom and headroom for adults to sit comfortably. Plus, the large rear windows and panoramic glass roof flood the cabin with light, preventing that dreaded feeling of claustrophobia and offering an open, airy environment for all passengers. When it comes to practicality, the Ioniq 9 truly excels. With all seats in place, it offers 338 liters of cargo space, and with the third row folded down, the storage capacity expands to an impressive 982 liters. Additional underfloor storage further enhances the vehicle's versatility, making it an ideal choice for families who need both space for passengers and the flexibility to carry bulky items. With its combination of comfort, spaciousness, and practicality, the Ioniq 9 is a true family hauler. Hyundai has truly raised the bar with the interior design of the Ioniq 9, blending cutting-edge technology with premium materials and thoughtful details. The cabin is dominated by twin 12-inch displays that offer crystal-clear visuals for both the driver and the infotainment system, seamlessly integrated into a curved layout that adds a touch of elegance. The dashboard itself is a work of art, crafted from high-quality materials and accentuated by ambient lighting, which can be customized to suit the mood or preference of the driver and passenger. But the technology doesn't stop at the screens. Hyundai has incorporated a unique and futuristic pixel theme throughout the interior, adding a distinctive flair. Pixels appear in various spots: on the steering wheel to show the battery charge level, on the seats, and even on the wireless charging pad to keep your phone securely in place. These small details not only enhance the car's high-tech vibe, but also contribute to its user-friendly, intuitive design. One standout feature in the Ioniq 9 is the UV cleaning compartment, which adds a quirky yet practical touch to the interior. This clever compartment is designed to sanitize everyday items like sunglasses, gloves, or even your smartphone, keeping your belongings clean and germ-free on the go. Digital mirrors are an optional optional feature for European models offering aerodynamic benefits, though the accompanying screens inside might divide opinions. USB-C chargers abound throughout the cabin, ensuring everyone's devices stay powered on the go. Can an SUV of this size be efficient? Hyundai says yes, boasting a drag coefficient of just 0.259, better than the original Toyota Prius. This smooth shape helps reduce energy consumption, allowing the Ioniq 9 to achieve a remarkable range of up to 385 miles on a single charge, making long trips more feasible than ever. Charging isn't a concern either. The Ioniq 9 supports 11 kilowatt AC charging, and for those in a hurry, it can take advantage of DC rapid charging. With a 350 kilowatt charger, the Ioniq 9 can go from 10% to 80% in just 24 minutes, meaning less time at the charging station and more time on the road. Whether you're at home or on the go, this SUV delivers a convenient, efficient charging experience. For those who crave performance, the Ioniq 9 doesn't disappoint. There are 3 drivetrain configurations to choose from: rear-wheel drive, all-wheel drive, and the performance model. The performance version, in particular, is a powerhouse, featuring dual motors that generate a combined 217 horsepower. This configuration allows the Ioniq 9 to accelerate from 0 to 62 in just 5.2 seconds, with a top speed of 124 miles per hour. But the Ioniq 9 isn't just about speed, it's also practical, with an impressive towing capacity of 2.5 tons, making it ideal for hauling everything from trailers to boats without breaking a sweat. In the Ioniq 9, Hyundai has successfully combined eco-friendly efficiency with power and practicality, making it a standout in the electric SUV market. While Hyundai has yet to announce official pricing for the Ioniq 9, industry experts predict it will start around £65,000 or approximately $81,600 US. This positions the Ioniq 9 as a strong competitor in the electric family SUV market, sitting alongside other heavy hitters like the Kia EV9. The Ioniq 9's price tag reflects its premium features, bold design, and advanced technology, but still keeps it within reach for families looking to transition to electric without breaking the bank. With its expansive cabin, impressive range, and high-tech interior, the Ioniq 9 promises to be a top choice for those seeking a family-friendly EV that doesn't compromise on luxury or performance. Hyundai plans to roll out the Ioniq 9 in U.S. dealerships in early 2025, followed by a global release to meet growing demand. This electric SUV is expected to draw attention not only for its sleek design, but also for its practicality and performance. With a 385-mile range on a single charge, fast charging capabilities, and a diverse range of configurations, the Ioniq 9 is ready to tackle long trips and urban commutes alike. Hyundai has once again demonstrated that they are willing to take bold risks and push the boundaries of innovation. The Ioniq 9 is a clear reflection of the company's commitment to shaping the future of electric vehicles. For families ready to embrace the electric revolution, the Ioniq 9 stands out as a stylish, capable, and forward-thinking option that could set the standard for electric SUVs in years to come. So, what do you think? Has the Hyundai Ioniq 9 redefined what a family SUV can be? Is it the futuristic ride you'd want in your driveway, or are you holding out for something even wilder? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this journey into the future of electric vehicles, give us a like, hit subscribe, and tap that notification bell to join the EV Frontier community. More electrifying adventures await, and we'll see you next time.